Welcome to my channel, and here we'll be working on this problem, and we are working on this question first. And as we are told that we should draw the block in isometric projection as shown. So the distance from here to here is 70, from here to here is 70, and distance from here to here is 45. The isometric circle that we have, a diameter is 50, and also the center line, this center line from this end is 35, and also this center line from this end is 35 millimeters. So let's see how this work can be done. So the first thing that we need to do here, we need to draw so a short horizontal line here like this, and then we take 30 degrees set square, so setting it at this point. So we draw a line in this direction, and then so we turn to this side with that same 30 degrees, so we draw in this direction, and then so from this point here, so we draw a vertical line at this point up like this, and then we are going to take the measurements. So first of all, we have 70 millimeters. So 70 millimeters, I'm taking it from 1, so that is from 1 to 8, and then on this side I will also take the same 70 millimeters from this point, so that is also from 1 to 8 here. So then we are going to draw a vertical line at this point, so a vertical line here, and here we also draw a vertical line at this point. What we are doing first is to construct the block, so then we put the isometric circle on it. So you are going to see how this can be done. So I will take 45 from on this line, that is from 1 to 5 and a half. So I'm not taking it from 0. So and then so at this point here, I'm going to draw a line to join this line, and then I will turn this to this side. Then I will draw from here. I want to check if this line is okay, is correct. Okay, so then I will draw from here, so to meet this line at this point, and then so I will take it down here, so and draw from here to here. Then I will turn the set square, and I will draw from this point so to this point. So we are drawn the block. So the block, this is the block. So what we just need to do now is to put the isometric circle on it, and then we outline it. So we bring out the visible outlines and edges of the object. So here I'm going to divide this 17 to 2, as we are told that the center lines are 35 millimeters from the edge. So here I will take 35 millimeters, so this is 35 millimeters, and also here I will also divide this 70 into 2, so 70 into 2 to get 35. This is 35. So I'm going to transfer these points, I'm going to transfer them to the other side. So I'm going to, so we draw it as a center line here like this, and then so I will turn it like this, and then I will transfer this to the other side. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now, since the diameter of the isometric circle is 50 millimeters, so from this center, from this point here where the two lines intersect, I'm going to take 25 millimeters, so 25 millimeters to the right side, 25 to the right side. So this is 25, this is 25, and I'll take 25 to the left side, so this is 25 millimeters. And also coming here like this, I will also take 35, 25 to this side, 25 to this side, so this is 25, and I will also take 25 to this side, this is 25. So now I'm going to construct an isometric square on this face. So by drawing from this point, so where we obtained here, so I will draw this, and then so bringing it here, I will draw this line. So from the mark that we have taken for the measurement that we took, so also I will draw here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw this. Alright, so now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so as I said, we are going to construct an isometric circle here. So you see how to construct isometric circle in this work that I'm doing. So we need to join the longest corners together, which is this point and this point. We are going to join them together. So we draw like this. Okay, so we draw like this, and then so this point here, we are going to connect together with this point, and this point we connect together with this point. So we have not seen how to construct isometric circle before. That's what I'm doing now. So you can still watch my video on how to construct isometric circles. So I have videos on that. So so we connect this point together, and then so we connect this point together like this. Okay, so that's it. So also you can also connect this point together with this point here, and you can also connect it together with this point. So anyone that you like to do, so there's no problem. So what we need to do now is to construct the isometric circle, as I said. So this is for center method. So this should be center 1, center 2, center 3, and center 4. So it depends on how you want to label it. So I can even take this as center 1. So putting the pinpoint on my compass at this point, and I will extend it to this point here. To this point, I will extend it here. So then I will draw an arc. So from this point, so from here, I'm going to draw an arc to meet this point here. So there is it. Alright, so I've drawn this, then I'll put the same radius at this point here. So to touch this point, so I can draw to this side like this. Okay, so we are constructing an isometric circle. I'm showing you how to construct isometric circle, and I believe you can see this. So the next is that, so I'll put at this point here. So I will extend it to this point. Okay, I'll extend it here. Okay, so I'm going to draw from here to here like this. Alright, so then the last part is this. So I put at this point and it touches here. So I'm going to draw from here to here. Alright, so the isometric circle has been drawn. So the next thing that we are going to do is to outline the edges of the block. So I'll do that while I pause the video, and when I'm done, I'll come and show you what I've obtained. Alright, so this is how the isometric block should look. As simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and God bless you.